Hi everyone, another simple, easy tie from me today. This is the Cowdung Buzzer. Great pattern, works really well in sizes 12 and 14. So let's show you how to tie it. In the vise, I have a Togen Scud Barbless in size 12, and as you can see, I've got some black thread on it. Now that black thread is going to form the body and the thorax. The rib is this stuff, it's flexi-floss, and as you can see, it is in colour cow dung. And the cheeks on the buzzer are going to be goose bites. You can pick your colour, I really like those hot red ones. So let's get on and tie the fly. So I've put the thread on down to where the thorax is likely to end, and now I'm going to tie in the flexi floss that forms the rib. And what you want to do is do a couple of wraps and then really pull it tight to reduce bulk. If you like bulk, that's fine. You can make your buzzer body fatter. I'm less of a fan, and it's individual preference, but you're going to fish the flies more confidently if you like them. So I'm going to pull this flexi floss really tight and create a nice thin body with touching turns of black thread, and we are going well down into the bend of that hook. And then when you've done that, come all the way back up to where you want that thorax to start. And then you can find your scissors, pull your tag end, snip it off, and you get a nice neat tie-in point. And that's roughly where the thorax is going to start. What we're then going to do is rib the fly with the flexi floss. I like to pull it quite tight. Just tilt your vise slightly, it just means you're avoiding the hook point and then the thread, as opposed to trying to do it all at once. And then nice open turns, make sure the spacing is even. Use the rotary function if you've got it. Flexi-floss can be quite slippery, so be a bit careful. It does tend to have a mind of its own. And then when you've reached where you want your thorax, just tie it off. A little rule around chironomids, buzzers, that sort of thing. Ideally what you want is 2/3 of the fly to be the body, 1/3 of the fly to be the thorax. That's kind of how the naturals look. So that's what I've tried to do here. And as we're going to be creating a little bit of a bulbous thorax, I've just used that flexi floss to add some bulk. And then we're going to pull it tight, snip it off, get rid of the excess. Now if you'll excuse me, we're just going to adjust the hook in the vise so it's sitting up straight. And that's where I want my thorax to start there. And in a minute we're going to build up a bit of bulk, but first of all we're just going to tie the cheeks in. So we've got goose bites, so we can do one either side. So there's one on my side, and then I'm going to do one on your side, but what I'm going to do is use the rotary function of my vise because it can be quite fiddly. And you want them at exactly the same angle. So just hold them tight until you've got them where you want them. If you've done it wrong like I have, undo it, do it again. That was not a great position, so I'm just going to redo that. There you go, that's much better. And then come back, make sure you've covered all the bite, especially on your side. There you go. And just make sure you're happy with the shape and size of the thorax. And when you are, bring the biots over the thorax. Check to make sure you're happy with the positioning. Do the same on the other side. I like nice thin cheeks, so these biots are really good for my preference. Then I'm going to do 2 or 3 wraps in front. And what we're going to do now, instead of cutting, we are going to wiggle them free. Much like wire, we can helicopter these free. They will break away eventually. There you go. As long as you hold your thread tight, and it gives you a much, much neater head on your buzzer. Then you need a whip finish tool. Seat the knot, snip the excess, and that's it. The Cowdung Buzzer. I've had great success on this, certainly in the smaller patterns, and very much when it's warm it works very, very well. You can go slightly darker on the FlexiFloss if you want to, but then it won't be a Cowdung Buzzer because it's not the Cowdung colour. But either way, a nice black and olive buzzer, it will catch you fish. Find me via the Togens website, find me on Instagram, let me know how it fishes for you, and until next time, tight lines.